I'm Mark.
I'm Phil.
And I'm Paul.
And we're the Pitfire Boys. And when we're not at Bunnings, we're in a hazel blue smoke cooking up a storm.
And we're going to show you everything you need to start smoking.
Hi, I'm Mark. I'm going to show you how to smoke some chicken. We're going to use salt, lemon-infused oil, your favourite spice mix. We're going to do drumsticks and wings, and we're going to smoke it over cherry and applewood. First, we're going to place the chicken in the bowl. Then we're going to add a liberal amount of oil, some salt, and your favourite spice mix. Now we can give it a good mix and make sure the chicken's evenly coated. Now we're going to load the smoking box with some wood chips. We're going to use apple and cherry chips. That's just going to add some really nice flavour to your meat. Now we're adding the water pan to the smoker to keep moisture inside to make your meat nice and tender. Finally, it's now time to load up your smoker with the chicken. As a general rule of thumb, because it's a gas smoker, if you want to warm it up, you close the vents off. If you want to cool it down, you open the vents up. So it's exactly the opposite to your charcoal smokers. You'd want to be cooking your chicken around 150 degrees Celsius for about an hour. Or use a probe to test the internal temperature of the meat is over 75 degrees. Looks good, smells great. Can't wait to get into it.